Hey y'all, what's going on everybody? This your boy E-bike Life, and today we are going to do a little ride on the 8000 DIY e-bike, and I made some changes. I'm gonna let you know what I did. So one of my viewers, Randy, had commented saying that the bike was looking good, but he preferred for me to have a tube instead of those two bars I had on the top tube right there. He wanted me to have a tube, like a pipe, and to make a little hole. So that's what I did, y'all. So as y'all seen in my last video, I had two bars, one here and one at the bottom, and I just got a tube right there, and it looks a lot better. So that's one of the changes I made. And another change I made is I put the hitch on my on the rear dropout. So that way that my daughter can actually ride in the trailer when I take her to take on some rides and everything. And those are the changes I made. But man, this hub motor looks really sexy, y'all. I just can't stop looking at it, though. So all right then. So we're gonna go ahead and go to some one of my little locations, and we're gonna get to riding so y'all can see how it is. And that's one of the bikes I'm gonna be converting into an e-bike too, so stay tuned for that video. All right, y'all, so I made it to my little destination, but we still got quite a few ways to go. We're gonna go down a dirt road, and there's a lake that me and my kids ride a lot, but it's a little windy, so if y'all can't really hear me that good, I really do apologize. It just somehow just gets so windy here in Florida. And to the point where this bike actually be flopping all over the place, you know. One thing that I can say is that the tires, they make a lot of more road noise. I mean, this bike is a freaking Bigfoot, man, on two wheels, you know. It's almost like it's sitting a lot higher than my 29-inch Swin 5K e-bike. I mean, I feel like I'm off the ground, even though this is a 26-inch fat tire bike. This thing feels way more like I'm riding up in the air. So, like I say, we're gonna be on mode 4 just to get a little bit of a ride in. A lot of the viewers commenting me saying, you know, just be careful because of the tires. They are the weakest link to me in this bike because I mean, I haven't been riding this for so long that the freaking tires in the back, man, are just wearing out. So woohoo! This thing is a beast. Love it. Now I do have regen too. That helps me save some of the brake pads. You know, even though one of them saying, oh, you got AliExpress brake setup. Well, the Zoom 4 piston calipers I got, they're from AliExpress, and they did extremely well. So I mean, now y'all got to take this into consideration. This is not a Stealth Bomber clone. This is a bicycle, okay? So this bike is a lot more lighter than a Stealth Bomber clone, okay? Because a lot of y'all see these the 273 and even the QS205, they are on the Stealth Bomber clones. Now don't get me wrong, I have nothing against the Stealth Bomber clone. So don't even think for a second that I got something against it. I just, you know, I can't really afford that right now. You know what I'm saying? I can afford this mountain bike. I can afford the QS273. You know, time it a little bit of money, I can, you know, I can pour into it. And besides, everybody has one. I don't want to be like everybody else. Just like everybody has a Dodge Charger Hellcat, a Ford Mustang. It just on some different, like a Nissan Quest with a 6-cylinder turbocharged, you know, they're putting out 500 horsepower. I know what I'm saying, this is just, that's what I'm trying to get to, you know what I mean? And this is, anybody can do this. As long as you know what you're doing, you can build it like just like this and ride it safe, you know? So we're gonna do a little bit of a ride right quick. Man, I'm telling you, man, it's like a freaking tank. All right, as y'all can see here, there's a lot of sugar sand right here. Now, when me and my boys ride down this way on our e-bikes, you know that we've been struggling trying to get through here, you know what I mean, because of the skinny 2.6s that's on the tires. Even though they have a lot of grip, but it just a little bit dicey, you know what I'm saying, to go through here. So we're gonna be taking this bike through here and see how the ride is. And I can tell you right now, it's going through it like nothing. It's a little hill that we used to come down here, so we're gonna woohoo. It's a little bumpy, but man, the fat tires make up for it though. Woo! Yeah, man. I really like this. I mean, I wish I could have did this with the QS205. I mean, this is an absolutely beast of a bike right here. I mean, I can go whenever. I mean, just wherever, you know what I mean? It doesn't really matter. I can just point where I want to go, mash the throttle, and it goes. But next thing, we're gonna go back around to where we just came from. But instead of me hitting the left and going back to the hard road, we're gonna keep going around the lake. And as you can see right over there, there's a little pump station, I guess you can call it. But there's a trail that goes right up the hill, and there's a lot of dirt right there. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna go up there, we're gonna shoot right up there. Now I did this on the I did that on the 5K bike, so I want to just see how this one performs right quick. So we're gonna go around, shoot on over there, and make it to the dirt right quick. All right, so we're back on the road. I just want to collaborate with y'all right quick between the 273 and the 205. Now, I noticed there was certain differences between these two motors. I noticed that the 273, when I get into some sugar sand, this motor will actually turn through it like a diesel. The QS205 is struggled a little bit, and I guess that does because of the windings, or the magnets is not as strong, I think, as the QS273. But this bitch right here, I mean, this thing right here will just literally spin the wheels. I like it, man. I just gotta get some better tires though. So we almost here, and I'm gonna point the wheels, I'm gonna go straight that way. I don't know why it's in. All right, let's do it. Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, I didn't really like fat tires because I know that was a little bit more hard to turn. That was a little bit harder to pedal because of a lot of I guess you can say that the rotate it's the big tires, more resistance, you know, that it has. But when you're putting on a powerful direct drive motor like the QS205 or the 273, I mean, oh, this not an issue at all, man. Wow. Holy cow. I want to go that way, but nah, they got a little farmers working right quick, you know what I mean? Woo! That's not bad at all. Oh man, my bike is so dirty. All right, let's go down to end this road. It's so windy though, man. Yeah, it's just so freaking windy. Yeah, like I was saying, with those two motors, because you know I got both of them. You can definitely feel the difference in torque. Even though this has the same battery, same controller, you can just feel the difference in the torque. They both 3.5 turns, and this one just pulls, man, a lot harder. Man, she is dirty now. Golly. All right, so there you have it. That is the little bit of a ride video. Like I said, I got more videos coming soon. Just wanted to put something out there, you know what I mean, to let everybody know how this bike rides and everything. But like I said, the tires got to go. That's why I'm not really riding as fast as I used to with my 5K bike. I am pushing up. Far as acceleration go, it is accelerating really fast. But as you can see, I done rode down dirt road. I got the tires dirty, the hub motor's dirty. I mean, it was still brand new, but now it looks like it's about a couple of months old. And so yeah, man. And like I say, I think the bar makes this bike a hell of a lot better, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about that modification I did. And yeah, this is it, man. This is the bike right here that I'll be riding for a while. And stay tuned for more videos. My son's gonna have his bike, and my youngest son too. And we're gonna be doing some riding videos on that, and I'm gonna be doing a lot more builds too. So just stay tuned for that, and I will see y'all the next one. Peace.